In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Activecampaign event tracking. This is a simple setup that helps you connect what people do on your website or within your system to your marketing and automations in Activecampaign. By the time you finish, you will know exactly where to turn the tracking on and how to verify that it is enabled. First, log into your Activecampaign account. When you open your browser and go to the Activecampaign login page, make sure you enter the correct account credentials for the workspace you use for your marketing. After you log in, you should land on your Activecampaign dashboard. This is the central place where you can access your settings and configuration options, so it is important that you begin from the main dashboard rather than any random page or link. Once you are inside your account, you can start finding the area for advanced configuration. From the dashboard, look for a navigation area on the screen. Depending on your interface and account layout, the menu might be on the left side or across the top. Take a moment to locate the word or section related to advanced settings. In many cases, this is where extra integrations and deeper configuration options are stored. Go ahead and click Advanced so that you can reach the specific controls for enabling tracking. Clicking Advanced matters because it brings you to the settings that are not shown by default, and this is where event tracking is typically configured. After you click into Advanced, the next step is to find the toggle that controls the status of event tracking. This part is usually presented as a clear switch, sometimes labeled something like Status, Enablement, or Tracking Mode. When you view this section, you should see an option that indicates whether event tracking is currently turned on or turned off. Since the goal is to turn it on, you will be looking for the exact toggle that controls the feature availability. Now you will toggle the status to enable. In other words, switch the event tracking setting so it is turned on. Watch the switch closely as you click it. It should change state to indicate that tracking is now active. If the interface shows a visual confirmation, such as the toggle moving to the enabled side or a status label changing from off to on, make sure you see that confirmation before you move on. Turning the status to enable is the key action, because it is what actually activates event tracking for your account, allowing Activecampaign to capture events based on your configuration. At this point, you have completed the essential setup actions. You logged into your account, opened the advanced area, and enabled the tracking status. To wrap up and ensure everything is correct, take a quick moment to recheck that the toggle remains set to enabled and that you are still within the event tracking configuration area. If there are any messages or indicators on screen, confirm that they reflect that tracking is active. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.